Hi, my name is Jovana Rikalo, a fine art and portrait photographer based in Serbia. I started taking photos 9 years ago when I wanted to share my story with the world. Back then, I didn't know where to start. I didn't know how to find a model, location, props, and how to connect all these elements together. I only knew that I want to take lots of photos. In 2019, I started with workshops all around the world to teach photographers to follow their dreams and share their vision. Every one of us has a hidden story. We just have to find a way to embrace it. For photographers, it's challenging to find a good location, model, props, build a scene and tell a story. In this photography course, we will cover all of these and much more. This course consists of 3 different modules. In the first one, we will be using flowers to create dreamy portraits in outdoor and indoor locations. Next, we will learn how to use smoke bombs to create exciting scenes. And finally, we will dive into the world of water photography. We have 2 bonus videos, how to bring new ideas to the set and even how to make your own flower crown. We will provide cheat sheets so you can always have ideas in your pocket. I hope you're going to enjoy this course. Start your journey towards fairy tale photography. Jovana Rikalo.